Hello, my name is Damon Sepchuk and I want to show you how to add keyboard shortcuts to the Quick Develop module in Lightroom. It works in version 2 and 3. First of all, you need to download a zip file from this web address. And when you extract it, you get the folder named Lightroom Exposure Hotkey Release Pre-Alpha 0.001. As you can see, it's a very early version and it may contain bugs and other nasty features, but it should work. And as far as I know, it should do no damage to your computer. We are going to add the shortcuts to the Quick Develop exposure buttons. Shift plus left square bracket to increase exposure, and Shift plus right square bracket to decrease it. So we'll assign keyboard shortcuts for these little guys. First of all, make sure your Lightroom is running and this first module named Library is active. If you are in any other module, it won't work. Make this Quick Develop section visible and minimize the Lightroom window. Then open the folder with my program. There are two executables and the source files. You can use this 32-bit version or 64-bit version, depending on what operating system you have. I'll use the latter one because I have 64-bit version of Windows 7. You can of course copy this little file anywhere you want, on your desktop or somewhere else. I'll just click and drag my right mouse button and click Copy here. I can close this Explorer window and run the file. As you can see, the Lightroom process was found, as well as the Lightroom's window, Quick Develop handles, and the shortcut keys were registered. So now we can try it. Let's bring the Lightroom window to front. OK. Hold down the Shift key and press left square bracket. As you can see, the exposure is decreasing. Now press Shift plus right square bracket. The exposition of this photo is increasing. In this version of my program, keyboard shortcuts are assigned only to these two buttons. But it is possible to add shortcut keys to any of them by modifying the source code. It's very important thing to keep this black ugly window opened. It could be minimized, but you can't close it, because if you do so, the shortcut key will stop working. I know this is ugly, but this very first version of my program is just a proof of concept, so please don't complain about it. Just run it, test it, and leave me a message. If you guys like it, I'll be motivated to add new features and make it prettier. If you very like this little helper app, you can also donate small amount of money, just buy me a beer. Thanks!